Aja Harun and share and come on. Oma Sharif abedu ha. Ye be kwani sisi a. Na ye de enkomo twetwe no ahyehye so. We ye kwakere adwen. Won so efa wadwen kire so efa Facebook bra. Me di juma dia uchami ye from honorable one. Media revenge do mama entry nipa nyina ehia me obi afran honorable one pe. Obi be ehia me from honorable one. In fact who share me no say from honorable side and mani agi. Na won so ye because metumboto mama. But open back me no pay no who say utimo den.
If you try to come near me, if you try to come near my family,
me cheche kwa phone
anywhere you go set your trap, I fire you.
Aboso kan for me cheche mu nyina because who you media mu and there is a meeting cheche am Omayini Nana yeboe mu ahyeche hawo yeko umaso ye ba na de enche na ba begu fomo wa wo si do birthday no wo de keep fabra ye be we show ye be ye nyina ma o uni mo bi nso din birthday fabra fafa Facebook bra uko ABK TV a fabra wo ho Jumadi policy agenda. Me am di Jumadi Uchame. Your friend honorable one. And I was Sugusa Uchi Big Family Radio. And when Ninsugusa will share ABK TV.
I love this station. I love this station.
Mr. Oma.
Honorable one.
Oh, here, dear.
Yankopon Adam.
Edanyamiasi. If you be aboko there.
Be aboko pa.
Edanyamiasi. And not to me who Haja, I know one who know.
Nehoye.
No, you won't.
Nehoye. Obojuma.
Ajuma de me who so Ajuma de son.
Ajuma no.
As someone you know.
And so and say oh no in here no. Very resilient.
Oh, okay.
Oh no way Ogusu.
Oh, okay.
All right. Bompa is a Yankopon and Kosamana on dinner.
Oh, okay.
Manu Nimdia or the very Juman.
Oh, okay. Okay, you go so Bompire man.
Sure.
Now I know what to me. I can work at Tamus and Simbiana. No go on what you making can be.
Kakra.
What you making can
be? If I will be a
Kakra. Now, what's in Rami Bisa cash for appointment you or land commission once a me?
Yes.
But as I still in Kodayo, a Gusu trendy,
sir.
Yes, more.
And the owner who you
a Gusu trend you. More from no cremro.
Sir,
you, yeah, very sure no creno. You wear the better go.
Say,
yo. You wear the better one thing. I constituency what you saying?
Ah, Boko, Anyaso too.
Anyaso to constituency saying. Bibi akoye. Bibi a say ye there.
There's an anora me catch MP no.
Oh, I say more. Yes, any bow, and any new.
Any bow?
Yes, any ba.
Okay.
Yes, because and Ram Aaron, yes. Yes, any ba, any papa. Yeah, no me try say me you kaka won say no me kan say me empowerment here then say asem asie me because ni nua pa there no it me try say me do musiko and me kokko final say ne ba okay chale nye izo ubewu a ubewu nye izo
eno pene
oh chale
adia
yemani dwe pa because
that no bia ededi ejuma koso
ajuma koso bi because this time around where say me before mutimi ajuma ye say mutimi ajuma ne pa ye ne ye yes say obi bia timi step down na mo ye ajuma so mo fan ko fom o say ho ne de muni problem o e fom e fom ne hu ye o Mura from I mean grassroots no. We need you from all, yes. Because from one winya. As I say maybe a cocoa so last election there and fashion never to you, but I believe say this time around there. Mudi never better to Yama and Nema Akoko so.
Number one, wouldn't what's a politics here?
Okay.
Ideas.
Okay.
Development.
Sure.
What I say.
Yes.
And say politics na say near nyina affect positively on the ordinary Ghanaian.
Okay.
As I say politics na
and
politics.
Yes. Yes.
And me very sure say the hierarchy, the leadership.
Yeah.
What I say. Also we are mindful of something we are making.
Oh yeah.
And it's in the interest of the ordinary Ghanaian.
Good. Because ama near be I say insists you la bisa. As I say from last 7th December I swear and now do in BBC and then so I say and to kwabini la bisa na kosa. Now when you me say me any be a make no me start here. Me say parliament I shall be donating the penny at the year renovation. Oh, because 3 months bill each Obibia 270, right? Obia 270. Obia pay, I say timidity. Because Mobu 75. 275, right? Okay. Mobu
35 na mama creative 40
yes. Yes. Oh, yeah, you cook with your mamma say monko. And conco and confirm what being cobum. Na mon say en ye ko na mo na Ghana enkoye mo de ntokwa na kwakotra ho say parliament mo bubu nkomi a wo ho ne ne ma ne ma say no na mo san ba be ka che Ghana for say yen sen twa tax na mo fa nkonkoye renovation
yes mo
won say sa enkoye sisi na mo sisi yen
enkoye
because any for 275 pe oh subtract free almost 30 million yakahin. Let's say nipa kitwa be just a fraction.
Yeah.
0.1 or 0.2 no more pay say money munya say nyina na.
At all.
Say your lunches are crusade no. Obi bia 3 months be say it omutimi to one 8 years say adwuma no. Car eba how there. Munyina mo so yeah. Maje mo de ko.
Obi agene there.
Wow. Mo ka ne de maje mo de ko because enu your personal interest. Maje mo de ko. Mudam na mo ba hwen ni amamo kwan na ekwan na eyese yedi levy ebeye ede abekwa no so de mo se de bi monye.
That's the hypocrisy, the double standard.
I mean no ese mutimutia
The double standard.
I say parliament obibia ese yedi obibia pay eto form.
That's true.
Ni yedi sign renovation no because yantimi mfa Ghana ordinary tax payers no esika enkonkoye.
It's true. Me know you are doing especially I will say institute investigation into the matter.
Straight.
Now say ye movie na ye teach no videos kakra ye nya hwe no. What you say obi na start here no.
Yes.
A deliberate attempt into omo planning say we na person na ebi mu nso try say on best stop ade e person.
You see we say oma who say me no ba bia me chi hey. Me de and mutimi different. Me different. Okay, but me the say all the 275 so obi bia pay 3 months. Ya kabomu a ebetimi yi dise adwuma no. Because yentimi enfan sa bill no ensan fan ma ye bio ye wi a ya san ba betua moka. movie amasa kokontokwa yasa akosala eye kokromuti asa ma mo se won san kokotena obiom na me se won senka video no obi amomodin hwe ne na ye mo mumudin bako omo ade se ye nyom nyemfe parliament wo because ye kokromuti adi ma mo se mfa nko ye den na se mo kokotena ne hwe dwuma ye nwudi
mo plan your development mo fe mo
mo plan your distraction I mean enko ye esi etimi yim nyemfe parliament straight
at all so we say na eno ameka che no we have institutions in charge what does it we have the right institutions to as it were initiate
say eno papa be a criminal offense
of course anybody found
you see IGP ye me ena me ti he me ko kan bibia I can't say you did become from and run a radio station back over so before echo. You see, because I can't yank. Fine, me to say. Name moment to Kuna Council Parliament in this way. Mean I'm here, Yankee, about the family.
Equity.
That is it. I say, I did be born sorry. Dumpy. Baby, I won't be a Timmy. Because one yes I do a bebo did the money. Me mebo did the money. Obi a more honorable one, me mebo did the money. I'm so sorry. I can't hatch him with you. We see. Obi the enam traffic mon oko kwache ni nyina bo abaso. Eti kwaye ni mo abaso. Please. Oma.
Number one.
And now, any man can think to be about.
That's what you kakra.
Oh, Charlie, who said you may be Ohio and Koyi? Ghana, I say in your idea. We love it. We love Ghana because I want you in your idea. You walk. Hey, and you even the basic room was still. Ghana,
we can't denounce our.
That is it.
It's very important.
And just seeing your one, you shape we are in a year.
And it's collective.
Yes, I see him in to me, and your man near you to me, I didn't know. But something I know to walk on home for 7 years, yet you knew Yansa. I think you see any Yansa. Because I know back up and his daughter. Into the walk of town. Sinking, I see in your cotton, never could try again. And told to her, as so says, Yamina more Sasa privilege. You need to honor and respect the people that you lead. Oh, Uncle Ye. Yanko, your friends saying, young someone is Baku, Baku, a decline, won't. Or say, Encrophobia is easy chair. Almost you know, oh, court. Yes, I say fish the country movement.
Okay.
Almost you know. I say because of a voter region, a area hono. Lolobini, Central Coffee, and that area. Yes, omun timin twaba. And tomorrow could see me say, I didn't do or dinner. I was a quan so. Now, yes, you'll be no, sir.
Well, it came up during the election.
Yes, some time ago, Mikai Pans a buy.
Caught some
a bell, yes.
Yeah, so apparently, almost face you deny or more right.
Okay.
I think explanation.
But they feel the easy chair boss, and why deny almost that right? And you almost the honor a court.
Well, I mean, we are in the country
democracy,
yes, so to speak, and your friend saying your constitution and the guiding principle for all of us, and it's right. Some feel say you know money in the year, the right place to go is the court for interpretation. Okay, maybe our and same be or her omupomunim, maybe through the court, no, the friend saying explanations from there. So I mean, I'm not going to begrudge them once they resorted to the court, and as a country that's growing its democracy at a very young age, we can only applaud them for choosing this method. You understand?
Method, okay. But I think it's better than say being out there and being talking.
Of course, that's what I'm saying. So let's appreciate the result they've used.
That's what your friend saying. Physical country movement for.
But when is this how we know? Additional regions no create here.
Yes.
What I say. And this are winning in
yes.
For me, I am happy say omo court what I say for explanations or some of the instances.
But one thing is face the country movement, you know. They are in court. Not for the creating additional
meaning,
you know.
Yeah, but then
but
fact that
they are seeking some jinedi.
Is nedi.
Yes.
Oh, so I feel all kind of.
And also count.
I mean.
And also become because of they won't say they deny or she deny them of their right. So and you know jinedi. And now almost no can say almost
no capli no.
Yes.
Capli no mudima. Well, honorable one, me know you krumha the processes to
the removal of
the electoral commission.
Yes.
You understand? And so
because the city is more or less a you almost a near you there po.
No, the removal of electoral commissioner. And then the first time near
yes,
I'm number up.
Pain.
Why exactly?
Yes.
Your precedence.
Yes.
And I have processes now.
Yeah, fine. Yes.
Say one faster process now who you so any other. For I mean, so if you are going to court that you've been denying your right, that one's another discussion.
Okay.
But to add that and it's a different process altogether.
Because one says unim, you see. MPP time. Wow. Sa easy chair then easy chair.
Yeah.
The woman. Charlotte was say, "Am I ready?"
Yeah.
Oh.
He went through the right process.
Yes. Because me Kaiser or no can be say
no procurement.
Yeah, procurement bibi sa.
Oh.
Omo nkasa ne san ba out anyway omo send di omo atam ne ma na bibi sa. Ba se we se omo nya ne sana. So we omo nya bibi sa.
I mean, let's see what happens. I mean, say the issues of court, you know, because of prejudice
yes, content. And nipa mako 46.
And
a court, yes. Obi a sign for that.
Well, I mean, we can only wait and see what will happen. You understand?
At the court.
Yes, we can only see what they say. Court on Sebi or Momugu no. I mean, exactly. And see,
okay.
They will look at the merits of the whole.
Because me first say what they are doing. I mean, because what you know, they are say when you can go.
No, if you are going to court, it's not too clear. No? If they are going to court for the fact on the basis that they've been denying a certain right, okay, they are right, okay. But to add that you want to remove the electoral commissioner at the court, it's a process. I don't know if it's a new thing they've come up with.
Ah well, maybe. Oh yeah.
Contempt in court assembly.
Now only delegate so report the same incident, but this time around or the Kofi Adams.
Okay.
And a buy. Okay. A year Oti region MP.
Yeah.
Kofi Adams. Ono say is ono de wan kasi enyina ju. No mo ono say. EC chair no emmo modin enye ni 10 na no ten ya. Now the next 2024 no election almost me say lolo bi Central Kofi any other areas no almost me ono de no asem ono kan no
well is ni enta
onye ni ntem no on the was EC chair no nya ni ntem
is no say ono nya ni ntem say is no we see ono ni actions and inactions and akọ so mo na mu
oh no that you other siu no different people. And this daily graphic report on Kofi Adams. It's a cancer, huh? So no, the on Shania court to count on your say and run all cancer. Next Saturday, no more file case. Yes, maybe.
Okay, and there's a idea. So can some file case.
Yes. Because I know the also yes, you need contract 7 John there. Yes.
Or charge James as a
Onion in term Sunday Bay 2024 because I say it's deliberate. So or to train and answer. Or to train and answer in person best to about you. Let's say about MPP for some way I bad.
Elections December 2024. What I say?
Yes.
We are in January 2022. What I say? Inti onion term no like opposite can
see what part say I say MPP before the same thing I'm here beginning. My name be antimanko yemo masai to twetwe won ase through the EC boss no na say mo twetwe won ase sa na say aka ma mo san bu nko we se mu so asa chem no o man to aba e ba say se mo mu yesisi fo bi sa o
na me ka che o na say ye to aba we no 1 year me boa during the last election of Munya sa issues we are
okay
it's just 1 year after the elections right?
Yes,
so it's only appropriate that this issue is coming up now. So
yes,
as a country, I think we should all look at it and then find a solution to it.
oh okay,
Yeah, I think we
okay,
should find a solution. Because I will not sit here and support somebody's right being abused or something.
okay,
So I think once it has gone to court, for me, I am happy.
okay.
We will look at what the court has to say.
Okay. But the Kofi Adam is on the right track, you know, asking the EC boss to be fast.
He can't ask the easy boss
To be fast. Because no, I was only an interview one of the stations. I think it's Peace FM. Yes. And on him be say then you be saying was no. Oh, honey, wouldn't baby up before be some. Which Bontain, I was you, who be here in town now. Oh, my, then. One can say, I don't see a way. So one can say,
the president was said when the chief was giving us ultimatum.
Yes. What the timeline to what? So open them.
Meanwhile, structure is and yet.
Oh, yeah. One country. Near best at the other was that you can say.
This government I about on structure alone. What I say? That was less than 30% complete.
Complete.
So
what W? What's that? Dear no, my Sama and Cocoshi or one improving you might and I or model higher
die. So if this government was not mindful of Sawina, send on to us because
so what's one what the type
the chief was given that ultimatum.
Yes.
That was our 90 something percent complete.
So now I didn't know who you enjoy yes,
well, whatever was the motivation, I think the president responded.
Me who you intimate can want some too much. So a day no come as a then no come as
97% complete.
Yes.
In fact, subsequently, the Ministry of Education.
Yes.
Like they updated the country on the state of different structure, and it's one of the facilities that will be used. I think this academic.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
So then more in any to me yes.
Well, as for the reason.
Because I say if you are not on here no, obi ni updating no. I say nipa no updating no, I'm one.
Well, so being updating their end, he's been misinformed.
Yes. That's how I'm here. I stay. So also the bill oh you want to na mo sa o. Oh you ntimi entu na mo sa o. Enti obesuma na ya dia bro.
Sometimes say osuma will be original.
Yes. Yes.
It is a meaning figure and a percent how the picture they came to print to him. After say who na work say osuma ye. Say this osuma ye mpo report when on the buy. Is it that akaka kra na say abandon. Say bia no osuma no be ka say project no boy abandon no. And I adjust for if you incoso.
And James in Osman or hardly or more in a caca service. Yeah, speculation. Maybe.
What I know of is I somehow kind and the response the president gave, and then the subsequent update on the project.
Okay.
What I say?
Papa nso ma answer bi o.
Why?
Yeah, papa yi.
I don't think.
Ye.
I don't think.
Boga. Iro nyanko po.
Say, me catch go say Nana do no. Say o pese o ye politics for Ghana ha. Also sunya nyoma bebree.
Every inja is true. It's true. You can politicians are very powerful one. That one there. You ain't take influence. No. You can politics are number one. Yes. Yes, it's true. Or you're one of the president every year be our treasurer call.
Of course.
Whole Ghana.
As president.
Yes.
As president, okay.
And because only one of the president talk Rubio room.
Because I mean, Oko answer ye tonto. And ye man sama.
But there's a face country when you don't want to fix it.
Country me no me no na fix.
Eh, see.
O catch me no me say my ye spectators.
Yes. Engineer Kasai.
Me catch no o man benin so ye.
Then why? Into trust mommy.
Sector by sector.
Okay. What kind Greek in what me? You see, government release 1.1 billion for more agri jobs. Wow. So you must say na my real hope. Because you never break kasaya kokrom na mama for kasaya eduani no crochet new grow. And so every day bia ye push skafa ewra ho.
All the media houses are carrying this, and na me sister station. Look, omo breakdown of food items, the cost.
Yes.
The increment reduction.
But only I did back me as a member abani mo one. It's a man as a quafon he say no home sika go mbutom.
Of course.
Ne say omo ekoto enuane no bakrom me eto no omo na esisi akuafo no.
Exactly. Say what I say, but I will say you regulate this way because you regulate it. Or no.
Okwa any amount to be an order dey. As a government, it's true. As a government, a pet area be. As a Eastern regional near my area, Bamiansa, Mom Butcher body in Yamufon Kuga. No more cotton, Momonco. Near way at Yamamu, near Chap a government, a Chap Aquafonica. I'm so being come more than and a bro for the any, way for the because Omokosana. A body, a pimple dropper was a memo 30 cities, 20 cities. How? No, I saw Bahana just.
Because there's no
regulation. Be not say you be a
major institution there, a few but if you are small business farming,
yes. 2 cities, this is behind their more nice and one. No, Missy me crab you home. Oh, Tafo. Hey, oh, Connie Papa, where trouble dear go. Man, look at that. Almost seeming enemy can more than 2,000 trees of we say plantain. Yes. Now, Conwa, go up. Now, some of the car about a far. Now, baby sends in the sky, no, in Sakaya. 2,000 go bundu. Ha! Well, anyway, but so yes, 1.1 billion.
That's an investment.
Yes. It's what you quiet and what you quiet and dinner with the quiet.
And break that aspect of food when
okay.
What I say, what I say, now I'm a brain so I sector no. What I say, no more yes can add.
But on him, one thing about who Christmas in one. Me call food and agric ministry. Right. On 23rd
December.
Yes. What's on my year? I say poultry bazaar. On my year market not tin. Obia ni oh that was good. A bit ton a turkey be so ton.
Oh ministry
anymore. Sa what can you put saying? 35 Ghana 30.
I see.
Oh that one the me say that cocoa engineer me can me can. Oh, nye me mati ne me amani koku hu ye. Now so I mean bibi e koyi agricole but as to so yeah then I say hu ne be. Nti say 1.1 billion mo de ye den.
Well,
Bobo me mu kakra.
Yes, into 1.1 billion no Ghana cedis no. Sika o mampanyin no e dey gu sa sector no. The we no ebe boa for more production.
Okay.
Which say you be do more.
Okay.
That say na say we do more so that na say we yan for more. Na say already no honum by employing for no. What I say? Na say the end result no say you be nye aduane bebre. Na say nye aduane bebre e be reduce say you be kwa bonten akofo aduane aba. What I say? Nti eno no ye honum no ska odi gu honum no na mfaso a ye benya asoma no. Yes.
Okay. Nti wo say we size ka yen mampanin inject wo mu no ye benya
and this tells you say indeed okay say you move from from we need to production no that say na say eno o studio no
okay
because aska we just ka ketwa
that be easy
affect positively sa sector no.
Enka set me affect you positively and kabeboy
and they say ministry na say bibia da
on best structure near man na mutimi aye nyema ye and omo de no munye nyema because
they were very
this time around ye no more pound party papa every money be allocate ye be make sure say ejuma be na ye
accountability.
We are going to make sure of that.
And this man, particular, the current agric minister.
Okay.
It's not for nothing that he's continued to hold that post.
Okay.
He's done so well in
that area.
Say Akufo-Addo san renew Monday. Not just say.
Me from can maybe say
exactly.
Nana Adusobo Oslo na. Ono so yes nka o fa boganya so. Because no wa tena wache. Otherwise say Mugabe no.
Just say Mugabe. Say your per resource.
What tena wache?
Your per resource.
Oh okay.
What I say? Is it enya about changing no is there?
I know he.
What I say? Your per resource. Until once I will be here there or honum na yenya resource. Your pen no. I mean there's no need.
Oh okay. Mimi hu ya na mfe I say any je bi wo mu kakra bi sa.
It's okay.
Kakra bi sa na ye. Na ye kwansan fufuro mu no ho. I say somebody petition IGP. I say unfair treatment. Sase mu so mu say.
Obi a petition
IGP or a police ni. A police personnel. Petition IGP. For unfair treatment.
Well, no say commander Suma say
yes.
Yes, you can be against the commander. And a commander Suma say
yes.
Well, me ban me tie commander no granting interview or radio station me so. I think I say one Suma say Yankofano for the beatings and all of that, and he explained. But for me, person me can say
no so comment here then.
Yes, exactly. What I say in discipline on there as a people we need to take note of what I say.
Because our boss have asked myself
exactly. No, before foul no.
Yeah.
Utterances are yes.
Before I say
the alleged utterances are I mean, I think we have to be careful. The alleged utterances are before sending for him.
Yes.
Yeah, I think or granting interview a few minutes ago. On another radio station.
Okay.
Say no, that is not the issue. I was trying to friend saying narrate what the real issue is. Okay. Friend say me free baby na
oh okay. Okay. Now me say me oba maybe someone say maybe.
But for me, I think it was once I echo court no. You be who your friends in the home now.
Okay. Na answer pa boss asem no what ho asem
yeah
answer pa boss Mensa Thomas
yes
okay say no me bi say osa I sa Falcon S-Jet ho asem
yes
e wo sa ye say omampani Akufo-Addo ne dom de S-Jet no Falcon S-Jet no akọ UK for Christmas shopping. Mo say me bisa ho asem.
Yes.
I ka say okay, yen hwe ne be kwa kosi.
I think.
And then assign I full out story asan ba.
I think Enkofobi Eshase try their possible best to draw the president into this. And at says na make share no. We share story no cry. The president is not around the story. Until for the mere fact that you are related to someone and then you are drawn in.
And because
president.
Yes. Usha say or the control ni Facebook. Main St. Thomas no. Asepa boss no. And the control on the Facebook. And on John no this hard we say then. To abonting.
But subsequently so abe patcho.
Obe patcho.
Abe patcho.
E what dey
for comment no of course. The
what be patcho saying?
Of course, I mean, so it's not even worth discussing. What I say, is I mean, you say anything at all.
Then what about the cancel?
Then what about cancel?
No, sorry, the kunkro.
What I say. So for me, and what I say, there are forces that are doing their best.
And no only, and no me can be say on. If I no panana me run a commentary on that. I say. That kind of people we have a plane what they took kind wakoko very plane mu wakofo plane boy den one they should spare us that kind of
impact
politics
your daily lives on sense in same way. What I say, this is what you should be talking about. President are investing these huge sums of money in a sector.
Me and upon me running that commentary. So I mean that politics na pass I na me.
Obi your friend saying headline.
Yeah.
It's one of the things I want to talk about today. Headline, I think the insight.
Yes.
The insight headline Andra say MPP group descends on Bawumia.
Yes. No, it's here. I wanted to ask you.
So
yes.
I mean,
it's here. So what they about? Yes, let's talk about it. I didn't know yes, sir.
All the friends issues I were around. So
W, me bo,
a newspaper like the Insight.
Me bo, what the train, Oma train. Bawumia ye MPP ni me bo. O ye MPP ni mapa.
Sure.
Pa.
Sure.
Or say a vice president.
Of course.
So why did you people descend on him? Why you there, mama?
For me, say group no call it Bawumia say or a foreigner. But I said, once I'm dealing with the report to
yes.
Let me get to the group.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, okay, me bo. No question or a foreigner. Oh, do you answer me that question?
Yemubi.
Yes. Yes.
Yewaha, you groom her. And Yemu send up Bawumia starting your party with.
Yes.
What I say?
Yes. Not that. Not say Yemubi. Nepa nyina Ghana nyifo nyina ye. Yawe. Yes.
Sorry, Kasasimu ya. It's not because Kasasimu. And a fast forward.
Na
impact.
That be na true kran we say MPP before na kan na.
Well, another matter. It's not because before we know my main dealing with the substance.
Okay.
True and I say. Say indeed. Omukanya. You will have the young send about Bawumia. About party. And party. Fast forward, you money impact our party.
Okay.
As vice president.
Yes.
In fact, as running mate.
Sure.
The impact.
Yeah. Yes.
What I said.
I know the in fact ye nyina e be na ba so e woda
and you give the contribution
yes.
to the party. Proud to the party coming to power in 2016.
Sure.
What I said, a victory in 2016. You can never rule out the impact or the contribution of Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Oh, 100%. That was 100%.
What I said?
Yes.
If he said because of the selfish interest in
yeah, parochial interest. No. Who is that person?
Now,
do you know that person?
I don't know. But the point is that President in 2012 elections, you call court. What I said, because now you feel a lot of things happened that
yes
were not okay. What I said, now you call court single-handedly. Alhaji Bawumia, party.
Sure.
and who say na onye lawyer.
Yes.
Bawumia is a trained economist.
Yes.
One of the finest in the world.
It's true.
And our economic.
The track record, it's not easy.
As far as
that is it. It's true.
International. What I said was just so many recognitions.
But Obedane lawyer by force.
Exactly.
Yes.
Echo court. It is that time that go no more.
Mrs. W. Sa ekuo no krombo no o ye him for.
This is a group youth.
You to ben.
Youth group.
Ben.
That's a youth. The youth. As a president, I'm a crab for your youth.
Aha, it is true.
The youth, no be able to my youth. But me, the empress make a strong when say, you be you the impact of president, vice president, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and our party. Indeed, so obi sorry to say, I started sense and we are, yeah, 2012 year the impact, and I know what you are court, you'll be on your lawyer. It's not defend as a man, lawyers crown, a salute to you. Fast forward.
Oh, sure, it's true.
What I said, court, and my judgment. Now, out of the 9, 5 say, I mean, one court one in the president. 4 say, they be indeed, assembly at the back court, no, indeed, not merit womb.
Yes.
What I said, now, irregularities now, you can't once a minute, the absence of signed things.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. That's another group of more. Send that I sorry, here we know, Yawa hatching. And we won't allow anybody, what I said, to.
And I don't think no, I don't think any MPP member will do this.
Exactly, so that's my worry.
Omra. Because no Serbia may come be my MPP, but at least you're Ghana. Yes, you're Ghana. At least.
I told you something about Dr. Bawumia.
Yes.
Say, now the name Dr. Bawumia is beyond the MPP fraternity.
Oh, sure.
What I said, the entire country and beyond has come to the acceptance that indeed this man is on point and nobody can doubt his competence. What I said, it is all for anybody to just rise or to say this is Bawumia a foreigner. Well, we are on. They should bring it on. Some of us we are ready. So what say personally me or my contact.
Oh yeah, I know. Yes. You have personal.
And personal indeed, but then.
Oh no, you need to.
The right thing has to be done.
You see.
What does it?
You see, sometimes, as politicians, as you see, assembly or ayana a month will be casting in the Kufa or ni sister, and no baby we and no Bakofani say no baby you're running family and friends and then ya may be sassy and she say una unya ya and the government unya banaba baby says cadabia. You got it? Wow, obebie no a wasase we say so when your baby as abakasi ni nua na say ni hu nkofo bi betima yi bibi o ma omenye obebie no obeye. Oh, and as you are content, as somebody I relate to you, no. If say it's being undermined, ni image, no, you need to protect it. That one day, to me, who anything wrong with that? Because me, I may. Wow,
it or more tries hard way, no. I mean, yeah, sure more.
But the next question.
Press conferences, no, and you're more to organize it. What has it?
Okay.
Yes, you organize.
No, I'm organizing a press conference.
Well, say report.
Because I didn't see any face.
Report. Mean so who when they are.
Because I didn't see any face.
Oh, you didn't see any face.
No, the face is me nimbi anywhere womb.
No, I think it was just one person and original. One person and original.
Yes. Then that person on no constituency bank.
Me nim numpo. Ono ka say
o kire ne chikwan
ono kire say obi a foreigner
da bi o kire ne chikwan ba bi wo
ya nkire he
wa nkire he o eni eso mu tuntuntuntuntunne because o timi kire ne chikwan no o timi kire ba bi wo
Frederick Opoku
yes
and so that is it. When but when as the clandestine campaign for the flag bearership race of the ruling New Patriotic Party MPP intensifies ahead of the official opening of nomination towards the
But
2024 elections.
the one
Some
who
youth
say
groups have heavily descended
what
on
would
on Vice President
Would you
Dr.
just
Mahmoud Bawumia and also expressed unhappiness
but
about the conduct of some party executives and other. So the story continues. And
Yes.
nipa no nim nie. Nti we na kwasi prat we publish
what do you mean about
ne paper so enra.
Sometimes me won I say things the way it is.
Sure.
Men try say me no ayi won on se san nyama we say esate ba MPP ko ni mu eno ka ho binti na ma mu lose more seats because encrophobic can sense we say nyama mo so mo buy into that e de kwose encrophobic e wo within mo ho e ma bufuo bi wuwura mu ankasa mu e na other party nso bo modin bo wura mu e na mo gi mu seat ni nyina
o say no na me ka cho say me announce a calendar for
yes
for from now to 2024. See, it is obvious say part no ebekwa elections, what I say internal elections, primaries no more friend. Me, I believe in healthy contest,
yes.
and just like the president has said,
sure,
for him as the leader of the party now, he will make sure he creates a leveled playground.
Yes.
What I say? He created what? A level playground
yes.
for everybody. Until or assure Ghanaians, and for that matter, the party say, "Near obeye, obe make sure say obeye." Say, elections na ye komunu. Ye be ba out. Obi anka say yes, ya win higher. What I say?
Okay.
Osi ono, sade no obeye.
Okay.
What I say? Into me.
Obey saying obey no I say man.
Na so e penny.
Okay.
What I say? On no leaders here. And I don't forget, Akufo-Addo, he's gone through all of these processes.
Oh sure.
What
That's
I
true.
And as much as ono officer even in days
was
more rough.
What
I
say?
3 times or something. Yes, 3 times.
Yes.
What I say? Nti ni nyina nso no
when you the do's and don'ts
he knows
in the game
inside ho anka so onim ho.
Yes.
What I say? Nti so ono assure ya me any problem. What I say? Because on the time he went through tough way.
Yes.
What I say? And so still he came out. Into that assurance is enough. But me, I want to say to all our party people, say, look, the internal contest, no, and you do or die. What I say? Senate President assure us will provided a fair level playground. No, young hold a peace. Now once I open your assure you say no, then there's no cause to worry. Into the attacks, the deliberate attempt to run people down as early as this, no.
But unim, send you pay out ni picture that way. When you nipa a picture.
Well, I would say Afena and none or publish I don't know. What is it?
Because you write in publish here.
Yeah, new paper. The insight.
Well, I knew
the insight. What I say? The insight. Into say one year all the upon all the headlines I will be asking. And I said the president one publishing will be
okay.
As I said, the Obi Asema Wako can Alpha Vice President and all that, but front page or man no full page.
Attention.
What I say? You will be like we are behind and we are observing things. What I say?
Me say one day mo go read picture. No, I will say oh. Say picture.
Say like he doesn't exist.
No.
That is it. And for me, I was disappointed. I was disappointed. Say a paper like such.
Yes.
What I say? Will publish
yes.
trivia.
And no, a man
what
some
I say?
kind
It's
of
propaganda being mischief.
But what do you make? I say sometime no. Oba hwehwe mo nessa picture. Oba ko ne wa wudo me. Because you know
it doesn't exist.
Hey, makwakwa Jason down ayibi. Ankrofo be trans here or more planning for BB. Wow. And they are using somebody who is dead.
The face of somebody.
Yes.
But there's a name.
To do those things.
There's a name. And
oh, that's any one know what they.
Yeah, it's a me pese like yehwe edinu say edinu so What I say? It didn't so. Whatever it is, say developing. We've just registered first response, and subsequently, details be to you.
You know, me own, and upon one, Namiwa, and Nami Bisa. Now me try to go through the papers or online.
Okay.
And I didn't find out. Till later on, as I met saying maybe it's okay. I'll jotting it down. If we couldn't read there, I'll try and find out.
I got it yesterday.
Yes.
Wow. After here.
Yeah, after here. And you know, yeah, how and Yamabeko. Okay, see, I'm say Kakrabia me penny down.
But before we call Hononso, and our president initiative or launch the 6.1 million Ghana cedis police emergency medical intervention fund.
Intervention fund. That's where I'm going.
Yes, intervention because or provide financial assistance for medical treatment for officers. Yes. Officers are on injury in the course of way.
Yes, I've gotten a comment.
6.1 million.
I've gotten more comment on that.
These are the things I always say. Yeah, promote. What I say, and I say, oh, share picture now. You see the president there. Meaning, say, if your cameras can capture president, Obi, this officer, police officer, Nina ya amputati. Into say, unya police president or dream. What I say?
But can you do it and send through my WhatsApp?
Oh, okay, so if you want me to forward them to you,
I can get. Okay,
let me just forward it so that you see it. Because these are some of the things I'll say you promote. Police officer Jinaha and Naya amputati.
Oh, but at least me who no know what we say wrong. And I'm saying if it is true, if you can just go back to me commentary me might be far over. When say a woman, I say if it is true, say that police no able to me aya juma and kai because sometimes police for no sometimes who been Natalia said and
no, but don't forget initiative I free abaimu.
Yes.
The leadership of the police unit is in charge.
Oh, okay.
And don't forget, we have an IGP who doesn't want to leave any stone unturned.
Sure.
What I say,
sure, it's true.
He want to uncover everything and
yes.
make it your friends public.
Okay.
And so I have a lot of confidence in this IGP.
Oh, okay. All right. So both you mo na ya nkoje enkratoba emra. Other for Gusu 88 Big Family Radio. Obiase keep your comment coming. Our Facebook ABK TV. Baby bia other for baby bia ya be kind comment so am come.
Big Family Radio. I am the number
becoming a professional broadcast journalist, actor or actress, marketer, video editor, or anything related to the media, then this is the right place for you. ABK Media Institute offer the following courses: broadcast journalism, media law and ethics, marketing, acting, graphic designing, camera operation, ICT, radio and TV presentation. ABK Media Institute has a professional lecturers with vast experience in the media landscape to unearth your dreams. We boast of the state-of-the-art facility to enhance your practical skills. Our fees are very moderate. First 50 interested persons to pick up forms from our front desk will be entitled to 50% discount on fees. Locate us at Santa Maria, Family and Friends Bar Stop. For further enquiries, kindly call us on 0555 208056 0302 908731 or 0272 690 292. ABK Media Institute. Obiase Eye. Are you dreaming of becoming a professional broadcast journalist, actor or actress, marketer, video editor, or anything related to the media, then this is the right place for you. ABK Media Institute offer the following courses: broadcast journalism, media law and ethics, marketing, acting, graphic designing, camera operation, ICT, radio and TV presentation. ABK Media Institute has a professional lecturers with vast experience in the media landscape to unearth your dreams. We boast of the state-of-the-art facility to enhance your practical skills. Our fees are very moderate. First 50 interested persons to pick up forms from our front desk will be entitled to 50% discount on fees. Locate us at Santa Maria, Family and Friends Bar Stop. For further enquiries, kindly call us on 0555 208056 0302 908731 or 0272 690 292. ABK Media Institute. Obiase Eye.
after COVID oba sa Ghana case oba tampano.
Yes.
COVID intina yeti to stabilize. See stabilize. The never be ban normal so because COVID by the problem be by. Nti ye be program we be stabilize. The normal be normal amaye. What sa Ghana case oba tampano.
Yeah, mumu police.
To stabilize, revitalize. What I say and transform Ghana's economy to create jobs and prosperity for Ghanaians.
Okay, yati.
Jobs and prosperity.
Yati.
And then mienu so we ye adwuma nya sika gu bottom prosperity na ye ko no. What I say? And no be that Akufo. Now finally before you be then on job. What I say on job. Before Nana Akufo be president no. The only hope for graduates in this country was national service. The only hope for graduates was national service. We have national service on number one. We have national service. They can only nyam coupon. But NAPCO ekita Ghana 450. Akufo do first year. Ebe sin ne over 6 years ni NAPCO beneficiaries. Ebi ma nyejuma ehwe ebusianfo enro na obi ko yi ni sika over 3,000 we. What I say? And no papa here can asem. No. Backed by His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay.
Yeah, that was against some for 2 way. You know wo krom ha.
Okay. Mo Sareko. Politicians you mo kwan obedi ba kasa ba oba kasa sa. That's Omar Sharif. Oye MPP communicating member. I will announce you to mu. That was so by Mr. Midi Jumadi Uchame. Hey, on number 1. San Obia Sham for me. With a select Sonko. Ebema Mabua for Mr. Baronzi, Etia James. And I send council by executive producer Reverend Ben Asari. As like I say, and count.